What's up, guys? Today I'm sharing an evening clean with me to give you all the cleaning motivation to tackle your home after a long day. So if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing before you leave.
Know for a fact that you're happy. Hate that I treated you badly. Not much to do except apologize. No, I don't want you back, not at all. I just wanted to give you a call.
My evening cleaning has definitely started a lot earlier, especially now that I've been working from home. So as soon as I log off, I try and get a little bit of cleaning done before dinner and any afternoon crafts.
I hope you hear me through. No, I was bad for you, so I gotta tell the truth. I didn't mean to call you a liar. I didn't mean to start up a fire. Baby, hurting you was not my desire. The others have to do is tell you I'm sorry. We got some history, baby. It goes back to when you said you liked me. When I'm for dinner, the movies. I used to think that we were so lucky. No, I don't want you back, not at all. I just wanted to give you a
So I would love to know how you guys are doing. I hope everyone is safe and staying in the house. For me, I definitely have more good days than bad, but I would say it would be absolutely crazy if I told you I didn't have bad days where I'm just kind of like in a funk and I want to be able to just go outside, and the fact that we can't is definitely heartbreaking, to be honest. I want to be able to take Riley out to the stores and do things with her outdoors, but considering the situation, I just do not want to put either one of our healths at risk. But yeah, let me know how you guys are doing below, and if there are any prayer requests that you guys need. I feel like I'm always praying for everyone out there, and also just praying that we get through this.
Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then you leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Dinners and rings and the fanciest things couldn't make me believe in us. I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to give into us. All I need is short-term devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause you and me won't last long. Just stay with me for a drink and show me a good time. If I wanted more than this, I'd love you until I'm gone.
It's a lot later on in the night, and after dinner we basically did a craft. I do try and do some type of activity with Riley after dinner time, and today we decided to paint, so that's why you see all of her little art splattered all over the kitchen counter. So I'm gonna clean this up really quick and do a quick tidy up of the kitchen.
Kinda simple, kinda wishful about things, and you're kinda simple, but like a pistol, you fire. Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about the drunk nights, bragging in the glory. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself, and the way of how you dwell, I get it. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself, and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You do it right. Hold me tight when I need it, and you always like what I like we know each other. But sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself. And the way of how you dwell, I get it. Don't you get it? Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself. And the way of how you dwell, I get it. Don't you get it? No. I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old flaws, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better